How to clean your colon naturally using fruits. 10 fruits to unclog your colon fast. 1. Apples. Rich in fiber, apples promote healthy digestion and detoxification. 2. Bananas. High in fiber, bananas can help normalize bowel motility. 3. Berries. Packed with antioxidants and fiber, berries can aid in maintaining a healthy colon. 4. Papayas. Contain papain, an enzyme that aids digestion. 5. Avocados. High in fiber and healthy fats, avocados can help lubricate the intestines for easier passage. 6. Pears. Pears are high in fiber and can help cleanse the colon. 7. Kiwi. Contains actinitin, a compound that aids in digestion. 8. Citrus fruits. Like oranges and lemons, they are high in vitamin C, which can help detoxify the body. 9. Pineapple. Contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion. 10. Watermelon. High in water content, watermelon can help hydrate the body and facilitate regular bowel movements. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or health routine.